What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Slay Sunday. So for today's look, I wanted to do something Mardi Gras inspired since Mardi Gras is on Tuesday, and that's a holiday I've always wanted to celebrate. I've always wanted to go down to New Orleans for that and just see that in person, but haven't been able to yet. Maybe next year after wedding madness dies down. But I'm going in for this look with my bPerfect Carnival XL Pro palette, and I'm going in with that purple shade, and I am applying that as my transition. And I wanted to deepen up that purple a little bit more, so I am going in next with my Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette, and I'm taking that darkest purple in the palette, and I am applying that in my crease. Because that's the only thing with the Carnival palette, there's only literally that one purple shade. I wish they had a couple purples, but for this look I had to go into a couple palettes. So yeah, I'm just taking that deepest shade from the Beauty Bay palette, and that was giving what I needed. And next I'm going back into the bPerfect palette, and I am taking that green shade and I am applying that on my lower lash line. And next I am taking that true gold shade in the bPerfect palette, and I am applying that over my lid. And this really gave what I needed, because the Mardi Gras colors, it's purple, green, and gold, and so I just felt like this shimmer was perfect for this look. Just a true gold shade. And next, it didn't really show in the video here, but I am taking one of the highlight shades from the palette, and I'm applying that in my inner corner. It's just kind of like a very light kind of gold shade. So I have applied my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and now going in with my lip to finish off the look. I'm taking that true nude shade in my Morphe lipstick. I think it's Boo is the name, if I remember correctly. I am taking that and putting that on my lips, and then I am taking my Maybelline lip filter gloss. It's like a pretty nice drugstore dupe for the Fenty gloss bombs. And yes, I'm just taking their, I guess, oh gosh, I don't remember what shade it is in it, but it matches the Fenty Glow shade. I'm taking that and putting that on top of the lipstick. And now I am just setting the face with my e.l.f. setting mist. And yes, ma'am, this completes the look. And there you have it, you guys. This is the final and completed look. I really enjoy how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and hopefully I can recreate a look like this next year when I go to Mardi Gras. I'm claiming it. But I'll be back next week with some more, you guys. Bye.